Prepare to indulge in the world of KitKat. Did you know 150 bars are enjoyed every second worldwide? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets behind its irresistible charm. Let's dive in. The KitKat bar has a fascinating global journey. Its origins can be traced back to York, England, where Rowntree's, a confectionery company, invented it. The name KitKat is thought to have been derived from a famous 18th century literary club in London, the KitKat Club. The club was known for its gatherings and discussions, and the chocolate bar's creators found the name catchy and memorable. The original KitKat is made with a carefully crafted blend of ingredients listed by decreasing weight: milk chocolate consisting of sugar, milk ingredients, cocoa butter, cocoa mass, whey powder, lactose, soy lecithin, polyglycosol, polyricinolate, and natural flavor, wheat flour, sugar, modified palm oil, cocoa, sodium bicarbonate, soy lecithin, yeast, and natural flavor. Together, these ingredients create the irresistible taste and texture that KitKat enthusiasts have come to love over the years. The journey begins with thin sheets of wafer biscuits. These wafer biscuits are baked to perfection, producing a delicate, crispy texture. The primary ingredients in the wafer include gelatinized wheat flour and air. The gelatinization process features the flour becoming stable and contributes to the wafer's structure. Once baked, wafers are cooled on a conveyor belt, ready for the next step. The wafer fingers are coated with a layer of smooth, velvety chocolate. This process involves precision and timing. The chocolate coating is applied using a specialized molding technique. The goal is to achieve an even, consistent layer around each wafer finger. As the chocolate-coated wafers move along the production line, they are cooled to solidify the outer chocolate shell. This step ensures the chocolate maintains its glossy appearance and satisfying snap when bitten. Imagine building a delicious three-tiered sandwich. The wafer fingers act as the bread and the chocolate serves as the filling. The filling between the wafers is lighter in color and slightly crunchy. It provides a delightful contrast to the crispiness of the wafer. To create the iconic KitKat shape, the chocolate-coated wafers are layered together. The arrangement is the same whether the bar is 2 or 4 fingers long. The rigorous quality control measures at the KitKat production facilities ensure that only the finest bars meet the brand's exacting standards. Imperfect KitKats, which do not pass muster, are carefully identified and set aside. Rather than being discarded as waste, these imperfect bars are given a second chance to shine. The KitKat's imperfect bars are crushed and mixed with cocoa liquor and sugar to create a velvety choco layer between crisp wafers, enhancing the flavor and reducing waste. By embracing the concept of imperfect perfection, KitKat not only creates a delicious and iconic treat, but also sets an example of responsible manufacturing practices. The brand's commitment to minimizing waste and maximizing flavor ensures that every KitKat, whether perfect or imperfect, contributes to a delightful and sustainable chocolate experience. Once assembled, the KitKat bars undergo a meticulous packaging process. Each bar is carefully wrapped in its iconic red and white wrapper, ensuring it retains freshness and quality. Bold red wrappers with the KitKat logo instantly identify the brand and contribute to its global success. KitKat bars are distributed globally through a complex logistics operation. After production, the bars are transported to warehouses and distribution centers, and then loaded onto ships, trains, and trucks for transportation to various countries. This process ensures that KitKats reach stores and consumers worldwide. When the KitKat bars arrive at their destinations, they are unloaded and stocked on shelves in retail stores. The bar's vibrant packaging catches shoppers' attention, enticing them to make a purchase. Consumers of all ages enjoy the delicious taste and crispy texture of KitKats, making them a popular snack choice worldwide. The global journey of KitKat bars is a testament to the brand's popularity and enduring appeal. From the factory to the shelves of stores and into the hands of consumers, KitKats have become a beloved snack that brings joy to people worldwide. As your teeth gently sink through the crisp wafer's layers, a symphony of textures unfolds. The delicate snap gives way to a velvety smooth chocolate filling, melting on the tongue in a cascade of rich flavors. The harmonious balance of wafers and chocolate creates an experience that is both satisfying and compelling. KitKat has become a beloved companion, enhancing various life moments. Each bite offers an indulgent escape from the ordinary, providing a moment to appreciate life's simple joys. KitKat has maintained its popularity across generations. Its delightful taste creates moments of shared happiness and lasting memories. Its enduring appeal lies in capturing hearts and palates, bringing people together. The crispy wafer and creamy chocolate create a pure, blissful experience. If you liked this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, and also do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Now, in the next video you'll watch,